Miyabi-yabi la ring talapag-obra na ning Business Process Outsourcing o BPO company a remote employee PH king karelang major party merapat inyang Webis July 4 king Lakeshore Tent, Mexico, Pampanga. Inaus ding aktibidad arena nung ka rin mig-participate la ka rin miyayaliwang papyalong ding may git at lungdalan na empleyado ning kumpanya. Atin mo naman miyayaliwang piaglon kalupa daring arcade activities at stretching area banmi pasno la rin kayabe ka rin papyalong. Banawanwadi ka rin gagawa ng pamitipon na ininga ng Kevin Montalvo, ing marketing manager ng remote employee PH.
Marami po talagang i-promote itang work-life balance. Meron nga po karang tenets ng remote employee to promote that itang value ay for them. We value their life outside of their work. So sopan nila po, this is just one of the efforts that we do that. Nung pong bisala makyabi ka rin fund runs around Clark or kaya Pampanga, sponsoran nila po rin ang registration. Makanyan, we partner with different establishments in Pampanga so that they can get discounts. Adi mo po kala po na stretch lab, kaya tayo. So ito, balang meto nga itakaratang bibiyami kanila banda, they get to enjoy life outside of work.
Paralan mo naman kaning aktibidad bang mika interaksyon na ring empleyado ng BPO company ang makabasiking syudad ng San Fernando.
So ICPA ni bandam kasi ngayon nila mo reng aliwa elaman migigit regularly kang office reng aliwa ngayon ko la paigit. So this is an opportunity for our employees to really get together. Some of them even for the first time ever na to get together to actually see their teammates. Kaya klan karela atin mo rin karela work from home la atin nagobra kang opisina. So this is an opportunity really for us to bond together, strengthen our ties, strengthen our teamwork, and it helps us become even more productive in the workplace.
Telakad ding Rafi Galang, CEO ning Remote Employee PH ing kumpanya anyang panahon ning pandemya, ban makasawap ka rin kabalen ami apekto obra. Maribat king 7 empleyado, ngeni at laking may git at lungdalan ring karelang talapag-obra.
Kasi masaya ako kasi madagal ko tulong na tao para atin lang work, atin lang opportunity. Kasi apin talaga itang buri ko alin naman itang pera, alin naman itang success para kako, itang success para ka ring taong Pilipino ding kapangpangan.
Agpangkarela, asahan alakwas sa pangdagoling kumpanya king daratang apanahon.
Marakal pong kay in-store kasi buri kong mag-expand. Kasi pag mag-expand ko, mag-create kong bayong opportunity para ka ring tao. So, ito talaga yung buri ko bisa akong mamiyang opportunity. Lagi kami pong hiring. So, many, I think kaming siguro mga 40 vacant slots. So, kung biyasa kang mag-English, biyasa kang mag-computer, pwede ka. And naman tang economic graduate or ito, basta pwede kang biyasa kang mag-English, saka biyasa kang mag-computer, pwede ka po, Ken.
Ako po'y Jody Dizon Mercado, ating pusong makawalen.